Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can insert the file path of your or on your Microsoft Word. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. So I'm just going to quickly open my Microsoft Word document. In your case, you just need to simply open that as to where you have saved it. Usually they file path that should be written in the footer. So what we can do, we need to place our cursor right here at the bottom of the first page to open the footer. Once the footer is open, you'll find this option header and footer, and you will find this option document info. So quickly insert information about your document such as author or file name. Click on this drop down arrow and you will find file path. So insert the file path of this document, click on that, and that's it. You have just added the file path of your document in your Microsoft Word. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.